G'day! In today's video I've got a very cheap PowerDirect charger right here, and this one is apparently a 20-watt charger, and if you have a look at the output that it's got on here, the USB-A should be outputting 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt. The Type-C can output 5, 9, 12. And this particular one has been outputting 20 to 27 volt via USB-C, or via Type A. And with this little gadget, without having to fry one of my devices, I can detect that. So this here can go up to, well, I reckon it's 3 to 7 volt, but it can read a lot higher than that, as we're about to find out. So all I'm going to do is simply plug it into the QC3, plug it into a PowerPoint, and then hear a pop, and look at the voltage. It is all over the place. One dead charger. And the customer also said that this did go pop with them, and also said he said it started to glow red and it didn't get hot. But that is one quick and easy way to tell a dodgy charger. Try that again. Nope, we're dead. So that there could have been a phone just getting fried. Instead, if I just try this down here with my other devices, being it faded out, I'd say this is probably just fine. We've got 5 volt, we're good. That there is a charger that's killing stuff. So the customer said their original phone stopped charging using this. Being that this, I see a model, don't know what brand it is on here, but yeah, luckily that wasn't a live device connected up. Looking in there, not really seeing any damage to the pins. But if you can save yourself some money by using one of these, or one of these that work on the Type-C port, you can definitely save frying a device, but that's why you don't cheap out using chargers. Personally, I just use a few U-green ones. One of these bad boys right here. They're what I sell at my work. Perfectly content with these. 20 watt, 2-port charger. And I've yet to have any dramas with these whatsoever. Being U-green, they've been perfectly fine. As opposed to unknown brand. So yeah, please don't cheap out on your chargers.